Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here. This week we are very excited about the new release of our Blunami 21-pin decoders. That's right, we've got the new Blunami 21-pin decoders in stock and we're very excited. So for the next 10 days from the date of this release, located right here, you can actually get a 10% discount off all of your Blunami purchases on our website at SoundTraxx.com. Now, the way you're going to do that is you're going to go to the checkout box. And when you go in through the checkout process, you're going to type in the discount code 10BLU-24. That's 10 BLU-24. You're going to type that here in the coupon box and hit enter. And then that's going to apply 10% discount on your purchases of Blunami on our website at SoundTraxx.com. Now, of course, these are also shipping to the retailers across the country, so you do want to make sure to check out the retailers as well. But if for any reason your retailer doesn't have it, or if you cannot get it through your retailer, be sure to check out our website and you can get the Blunami delivered right to your hands with an additional 10% discount. So guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.